A young boy walks into town on market day. He sees a strange man. The man has a big bird and wants to sell it at the market. The bird has bright red, green, and blue feathers on its wings. 12 gold pieces, only 12 gold pieces, calls out the man. 12 gold pieces for a bird? That's crazy, the young boy says. My parrot talks, and I want 12 gold pieces for it, the man answers. Then the bird says, that's right. The young boy runs home. In 5 minutes he comes back to the marketplace. He has his father's turkey. He says, 20 gold pieces. Everybody in the market laughs. 20 gold pieces for a turkey. Are you crazy? They all say. Well, he answers. That man there wants 12 gold pieces for 15 his bird. Yes, but that bird has a skill. It talks, they argue. I know, his bird talks but my bird thinks. I want 20 gold pieces.